One of the first things we're going to do is set our defaults. Let's go down to iBoostify and click IB SiteWrap defaults. Pretty simple. And when you get to that default page, you're going to find that you're just going to add in a couple of different pieces here. Your target URL really would not be a default, but you can make the target URL your homepage, for example, just in case you mess something up. It'll take you there just for whatever reason. If you leave a screen blank, it will fill it in for you. Your home URL would be the place you want them to go to in most cases. In most cases, it may be your homepage. It may be your blog page. It may be an offer that you sell all the time. So in this case, we're making it iBoostify.com. Actually, I want to change that to totalpreneur.com. And I want to make it /SiteWrap because I want to sell SiteWrap a lot of times, right? The zoom level, you're looking at a percentage, and the zoom level percentage would be anywhere between 1 and 100. You want it to say 100%, not 1, but 100%. And what that reflects is the size of what's going to be imported into your wrap. You want to leave it at full size. If it doesn't appear correctly, then you'll reduce that percentage to make it fit a bit better. It just gives you a little bit more control. Your top image URL is the actual banner that you're going to be using for your wrap, and that is the banner that's going to say have return home or return to page or return to site, whatever it is that you create for that. And all you got to do is upload the image. Just click here, and you'll upload a file and pop it in if you want to. Okay, so it's as easy as it gets. Your image height is the height of the actual image that you are using here. In this case, it's 110 pixels. And if you want to see the actual image, I'm just going to go ahead over here and paste it in so you can actually see what it looks like. That's the image itself. Okay. Now, there's one problem with this image, and that is it doesn't go across the full screen. And your image will never go across the full screen because people's screens are different sizes. So how do we fill this extra step on the side? Very simple. You get your background color, and you insert your background color there. And there's a color picker, okay? But what you want to do is you want to match the exact same color that this is, which is exactly what this 2A3181 is. And your graphic designer can tell you what the color is, or you can use any of the plugins. I'm in Chrome. There's a Chrome plugin called Color Pick Eyedropper that will allow you to determine what that color is. Okay. Next, really important, your AdWords retargeting script and your AdRoll or Perfect Audience retargeting script. AdWords will have you target within the Google marketing program with AdWords, and they call that remarketing. And AdRoll or Perfect Audience caters to Facebook. You can use both AdRoll and Perfect Audience if you like. Now, this would be a generic, again, because this is default, it will be a generic retargeting script. So that way, anybody that comes to anything you're sending them to would see this particular campaign, which would be generic to you. What I recommend to you is that you use specific retargeting scripts for each of your pages. We'll get to that when you start to do your first single wrap. So that's it for setting defaults. Once you're done, you simply click Update Defaults, and it will save for you, and you'll be good to go.